Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and I'm so excited to share a find that's brought a ton of creative joy to my home. Today, we're diving into the Jack-in-the-Box fashion-themed art and craft kit. As a mom constantly seeking activities that blend fun with skill building, this kit immediately caught my eye for its vibrant, fashion-forward theme. It's priced at just $15, making it a wonderful, affordable gift option for birthdays or special occasions. In this video, I'll walk you through our experience with the three unique projects inside, the quality of the materials, and how it fostered hours of engaged, creative play for my little girl. Whether you're a parent, grandparent, or a friend looking for that perfect present, stick around to see if this kit is the creative spark you've been searching for. As a mom who's always on the lookout for engaging activities that spark my kids' creativity, I was thrilled to come across the Jack-in-the-Box fashion-themed art and craft kit. This isn't just another box of supplies. It's a carefully curated set that promises to bring out the inner fashionista in my little ones. With three distinct projects packed into one box, it's designed to keep my 6-year-old daughter, Lily, happily occupied for hours. The moment I opened it, I was impressed by the quality of the materials. The felt for the owl pouch was soft and vibrant. The paper for the origami headband felt substantial, and the ribbon added a lovely, elegant touch. It felt like a gift that was thoughtfully assembled, not just a random assortment of craft items. The theme is perfect for young girls who love a bit of glamour and creativity, and the price point of $15 makes it an accessible treat for a birthday or holiday gift. The real magic of this kit lies in its variety and how each project is perfectly tailored for different skill levels and interests. We started with the felt owl pouch, which was an instant hit. Most of the decorations are self-adhesive, which means minimal mess and fuss. A huge win for any parent who dreads glitter explosions. Lily, at 6, could manage most of it herself, though she needed a little guidance with the final touches. The felt was good quality, and she absolutely loved how she could proudly strut around with her own handmade purse. Next, we moved on to the origami headband. The instructions were surprisingly clear, with colorful, pictorial sheets that even I found easy to follow. The quality of the ribbon and paper was excellent. The colors were bright and cheerful, and Lily's face lit up when she put it on. The third project, the Girl Power bracelets, was the easiest of the three and the quickest to finish. It was a great way to wrap up our crafting session, and she made a few to share with her friends. The fact that we could complete multiple crafts from one box felt like getting 3 activities for the price of one. From a practical standpoint, this kit is a parent's dream for birthday parties, sleepovers, or rainy days. I found it to be an excellent go-to when we need a structured but fun activity. I originally bought it for Lily's 6th birthday party, thinking it would be a great group activity for her and 2 friends. It was perfect. They each had their own set of supplies and could work on their project side by side. The kit kept them engaged and focused for a solid 2 hours, which is a rare accomplishment. It also worked wonderfully as a quiet afternoon project when we just needed some quality bonding time at home. For my niece, who is 5.5, the projects were just right for her age, and she needed minimal help. This versatility makes it suitable for a range of ages between 5 and 8, which is a key feature for families with kids of different stages. Now, I won't sugarcoat everything. There are a few practical observations to be aware of. The projects do require a steady hand and some patience, especially the origami headband. While the instructions are clear, the steps can be a bit tricky for a younger child on their own. My Lily could do about 80% of the work independently, but she needed me for the folding and tying. It's less of a flaw and more of an opportunity for parent-child teamwork. The other note is on the beads for the bracelets. In our experience, and from what I've heard from other parents, the bead holes can be a bit inconsistent. While most of our beads strung through fine, a couple of them had very small openings. It's not a deal breaker, but it does require a bit more care and maybe a sturdier needle for the very young ones. This is where having an adult involved is definitely helpful to ensure success. On the positive side, the design philosophy behind the kit is what truly sets it apart. I was delighted to see the colorful pictorial instruction sheets for each activity. In a world of digital tutorials, having a physical, well illustrated guide is fantastic. It's especially beneficial for young children who are more visual learners, and it gives parents an easy reference point. The emphasis on girl power with the bracelets and the stylish felt owl pouch resonates well, encouraging a sense of pride and accomplishment. The kit isn't about mass producing items, it's about creating personal, wearable keepsakes. My daughter has been using her pouch daily since we made it, and the headband has become her go to accessory for imaginative play. This lasting enjoyment and use of the creations are the true measures of a successful craft kit. In conclusion, the Jack in the Box fashion themed art and craft kit has been a wonderful addition to our family's activities. It's a fantastic gift idea for any young girl, providing hours of engaging, creative fun. The quality of the main materials is excellent, and the variety ensures that kids won't get bored. While there are minor hiccups like the need for adult supervision for intricate steps and the occasional finicky bead, these are far outweighed by the joy and pride my daughter took in her finished projects. It's a kit that doesn't just entertain, it builds confidence and creates tangible memories. I would wholeheartedly recommend it to any parent, grandparent, or relative looking for a meaningful and engaging gift that celebrates creativity and girl power. It's a solid $15 investment in fun and family time. Ready to craft more sweet memories with your little one? Hit that like button to stitch up some love for this review, and subscribe for more fun, creative kits like this one. Let's keep the girl power crafting adventures going together.